Today we will talk about a car which is from big company Tata Motors. But before we talk the particular car itself, let's talk about the brief information of the company. Tata Motors Limited is an Indian multinational automotive manufacturing company whose headquarters is in India. It produces passenger cars, vans, coaches, military vehicles and many more. Formerly it was known as Telco, that stands for Tata Engineering and Locomotive Company. It has purchased the English premium car maker Jaguar Land Rover and South Korean vehicle manufacturing company Tata Devo. Let us now talk about the brief history of Tata Motors. It was founded in 1945 as a locomotive manufacturer. It entered the commercial vehicle sector in 1954. In 1991, Tata launched its first passenger vehicle, which was Tata Sierra. Tata launched Tata Indica in 1998, which was a fully indigenous Indian passenger vehicle. It had an excellent fuel economy, a powerful engine, and an aggressive marketing strategy made it one of the best-selling vehicles in the history of Indian automobile industries. In 2004, Tata Motors acquired a South Korea-based truck manufacturing unit, Devo, which was later named as Tata Devo. In 2005, Tata Motors acquired 21% stake of Spanish bus and coach manufacturer Hispano Carroquera. In 2008, Tata Motors acquired the English premium car maker Jaguar Land Rover, manufacturer of the Jaguar and Land Rover from the Ford Motor Company.
ये हाथ ये हाथ ये हाथ मुझे दे दे ठाकुर
नहीं
ये हाथ मुझे दे दे ठाकुर है
नहीं
ये हाथ
कब्बर
है
अच्छा एक हाथ और एक पैर से काम चला ले नैनो ऑटोमेटिक हो तो इतना ही काफी है
टाटा नैनो ऑटोमेटिक, नो क्लच, नो गियर शिफ्ट, बस एक हाथ और एक पैर ही काफी है।
Yes, you heard correct. In this particular video, we are going to talk about Tata Nano Generation X model. Let us talk about the specifications of car now. Talking about the engine of the car, it has a multi-point fuel injection petrol engine, which is a two-stroke cylinder engine which has a maximum power of approximately 35 horsepower and which produces a torque of 48 Newton meter, which is a 4-speed manual transmission. It has a rack and pinion type steering, whose front suspension is of McFarlane Strut type and rear suspension is of independent coil springs. It has both front and rear brake of drum type, whose fuel efficiency is in city. It gives 18.7 km per liter mileage. It is a 4-person car which has a ground clearance of 180 mm and whose overall length is approximately 30 to 100 mm. With a very good luggage space capacity, it has a fuel tank whose capacity has been increased from 15 liters to 24 liters. It has a minimum turning circle radius of 4 meter. Talking about the comfort of the car comes with front seat headrest, a magazine and coin holder on all doors, a cabin lamp, cup holders in front console, front power windows, remote keyless entry, fuel gauge, distance to empty indicator, average fuel economy indicator. The dashboard has digital clock display along with a low fuel warning indicator. It also has a power steering which comes with air conditioning and heater. Now the Nano AC was always considered as good one. It was effective in cooling the small cabin. Speaking about the exterior of a car, it comes with an openable hatch. It has body colored bumper with door handles. It has a roof mounted antenna. Front fog light comes with front wiper and washer. It has a front and rear bumper with infinity motive grille. It comes with wheel covers along with the tinted door glass. The car has very good interior which comes with a seat upholstery, a door trim, A Amphistream TM music system with radio which has a Bluetooth connectivity for phone calls and music streaming. The car has 4 speakers for surround sound and also has a color accented speaker bezel which has a rear parcel shelf with integrated speakers and a power steering. Talking about the security and safety features of the car, it has various safety features like central locking, central high mount stop lamp. Also it comes with booster assisted brakes, front and rear seat belts. The Tata has increased the additional body reinforcement which comes with impact cushioning crumple zones. It also has hazard warning switch. While concluding, I would like to say that Tata Nano is a good car with good features. Every middle class Indian can buy this car because of its low budget. So thank you. That's it from my side.